Hi there, I'm Michelle the Painter. Today you're going to be watching a time-lapse version of my painting, Scales of Justice. This is part of an exclusive series that I have available for my Patreon members, whereby you guys get to watch the fast sped-up version of the video, and I have available for all of my Patreon members the full-length version of the tutorial. So if you're interested in watching the full-length version of this one or many other exclusive tutorials that I have for them, and or learning more about the membership program where there's a lot of additional benefits that you get to use to increase your painting skills and your artistic skills, I have all of that information for you down below in the video description. So I hope you enjoy. And that is going to conclude this painting. I hope you enjoyed the process. I hope you painted yourself a really cool Dali-inspired, surreal, fun image. And I look forward to painting with you Patreons again sometime.